Google, as known as Alphabet, continues to develop new products, and many people are saying that the company actually is collapsing and that someone like Microsoft or ChatGPT is taking Google down. But I completely think the opposite, and this is why I invested in Google recently, especially around February 2023, when the stock was under $100 a share. I was buying Google stock. But lately, there are many talks about this stock and what the company is going to be for the future. So is it really Google going to collapse and being taken over by other companies? So today, I want to bring a quick analysis about this company, my own opinions, and also I would like to share with you some of the forecast of this company for the next few years, especially from now, 2024, when I am making this video, all the way to 2030. I would like to welcome all the new subscribers to my channel. The purpose of my channel is to share with you what I have been doing in the past 10 years that will allow me to reach financial freedom. So I hope you can get some of this information and continue to learn how easy is this investing journey that everyone should be able to reach. Okay, so today I want to share with you some information about Google, but let's quickly look at the latest earnings report that ended in 2023. Let's see what results this company delivered. In January 30th, 2024, Alphabet, as known as Google, reported earnings for the end of Q4 2023. And looking at the financials, you can see that in 2022, the company turned a revenue of $76 billion, while in the same quarter in 2023, it reported $86 billion as a record revenue for this company. Now, looking at the revenue for the entire year 2022, it reported $282 billion, while 2023 reported a record of $307 billion. If you see some of my videos, you know that I am huge on net income, which is if the company is making money or not. And we can see a record positive net income of over $20 billion for the last quarter of 2023, closing the year 2023 with a record of $73 billion in net income for the entire year. And looking at the earnings per share, it ended the quarter with $1.66 per share and returning for the year a record of $5.84 earnings per share for the entire year of 2023. The company right now closed 2023 with more than $24 billion in the bank in cash and cash equivalents. More information in this balance sheet is giving us a total assets of over $400 billion for the company to end the year 2023. When we look at liabilities, we see that it reduced the long-term debt from $14 billion to $13 billion to end the year 2023, which ended with total liabilities of $119 billion. So looking at this information is giving us a total stockholders' equity ending 2023 of $283 billion. So impressive results for Google, as known as Alphabet, for the end of the year 2023. But for some reason, the stock has been dropping a little bit. So is it really the company going to disappear or going to be taken over by another company? Because it continues to hit records. So let's take a quick look at this information that is very important to make a decision for the long term of Google. So Google reached a record price of $150 almost in November 2021 and hit another record of over $150 in January 2024. This company has a market cap of $1.8 trillion with a revenue of $307 billion and is making a lot of money, a net income of over $73 billion for the year 2023. And if you look at the past 5 years, you can see how its revenue continues to grow year after year. The same thing as their earnings per share, with consistent earnings per share positive for the past 5 years, even though it dropped a little during 2022, dropping 18% for that year. But looking at the next 5 years, including 2024, you can see how the revenue continues to grow, as well as the earnings per share growing at over 10% per year every year. So this is the reason why this company continues to grow and grow every single year, continues to produce great results for us, their investors. And this is just so amazing, and this is the reason why I continue to buy this stock, and I have held this stock for the entire time, even when the stock market crashed in 2020 and 2022. At that time was a beautiful time to buy this stock at great prices. But in my opinion, if we look at the future of what this company is going to be in the future, especially with all the technology that it has, especially with all the moat that it has, even the people that have an Apple device, they use Google to authenticate a lot of their passwords, and that is keeping Google alive, besides everybody who uses Google for every single thing. And especially half of the population in the world, which is the population that do not have an Apple device, they use either a Motorola, Samsung, or other devices. All these devices, they actually run under the operating system called Android. And this Android is made by Google. YouTube is also owned by Google. And now you can see on the screen all these many companies Google owns that continues to expand its business around the world. So all these opinions of people saying that Google is going to disappear and that is not going anywhere, I do not believe it at all. And that's why whenever I have an opportunity to buy more stock, I continue to accumulate more and more stock, because eventually in the future, this company will start paying dividends, and these are the investments that are going to pay for all my expenses in the future without me having the need to work. So now is the opportunity for you to share with us, what do you think about Google stock? Do you see future in this company? Do you have Google in your portfolio? Or will you like to add more stock of Google if better prices come in the future? Please leave a comment below. I will be reading all your comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope all these numbers and financial analysis will help you make a better decision for your investment strategy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.